Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! For today's video, meron na naman tayong bagong recipe. At kung gusto nyo malaman kung anong recipe yon, please keep on watching! So, ayun nga guys, ang recipe natin for today's video ay chicken with coke! So, itong recipe na to ay 2 times ko nang binidyo, pero 2 times din akong nag-failed dahil yung una, nasira yung cellphone ko. Yung pangalawa, hindi ko alam kung bakit naging ganun yung video. Ayaw niya nang gumana kapag ine-edit ko. Hopefully na ngayon is mag-success na tong vlog ko na sa chicken with coke na to. Ito nga pala yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin guys. Siyempre yung ating chicken. First ingredients talaga natin is chicken. I think medium size lang to guys kasi hindi naman siya masyadong malaki. Tapos syempre yung ating kasalo or 750 ml na coke. Lahat yan ilalagay natin guys. Tapos yung ating lemongrass or tanglad. Tapos yung ating bawang na tinanggalan ko lang ng dulo sa... Ayan, yung tinanggal ko lang nasa dulo. And then yung ating onion, isang pirasong onion. Malaki. Medyo malaking onion, big size siya or medium, I think. Salt and pepper to taste yung ating chicken. So, ayun nga, ipe-prepare ko na yung ating recipe ngayon. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ipe-prepare. So, please keep on watching. Chicken. Na-prepare ko na siya. Nailagay ko na lahat ng ingredients niya. Tapos ilalagay ko na lang to doon sa ating electric cooker. Pero guys, pwede naman kayong gumamit ng kaldero lang, tapos ilalagay nyo lang siya sa kalan. Pwede yun guys. Makakalimutin kasi ako, kaya dun ako sa may timer. Kahit makalimutan ko siya, hindi siya masusunog. Pero kung meron naman kayong gano'n na electric cooker, yung para siyang, pwede siyang magsaing, pwede kang magluto ng mga beef or cake, yun yung, meron akong gano'n, at doon ko siya lulutuin. Pero kung wala kayo guys, pwede talaga sa kalan siya. Pwede naman siya. Na-try ko din siya guys sa kalan. Pero ako kasi is makakalimutin. Kaya doon ko na lang siya isasalang sa aking electric cooker. So, ayun nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking pagsalang doon sa aking electric. Ilalagay ko na dito sa aking electric cooker. And, babalikan ko na lang yan guys kapag tapos na yung timer. I think, tingnan natin kung ilang oras yung ating chicken. So, ilulutuin natin yung chicken. 15 minutes natin siyang iluluto dito sa ating electric cooker.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
So, ayun nga guys, luto na or pwede na siyang anguin. Medyo malambot na siya kasi bumuka na yung kanyang hita dito. Ang daga ng init. So, ipi-plating ko na to guys and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung kinalabasan ng ating niluto.
I never see you happy. You always treat me badly. You say you always die, and you're mad. Why don't you get a life and leave the blame behind? And I can't live without you,
Ito na yung last part ng ating video. Ito yung tikiman time. So, pasensya na sa aking itsura kasi haggard na ako. Pinagpawisan ako sa pagluluto. At kukuha lang ako ng konti. Tapos, may dahilan yan guys kung ba't ako naglalagay ng lemon. Talagang nilalagyan ko ng lemon yung mga pagkain na kinakain ko. Pero dun lang natin ilagay sa gilid dito lang sa konti. Para yung totoong lasa is lalabas. Tingnan natin. Yung walang lemon muna. Manamis-tamis siya dahil dun sa Coke. And, masarap niya. Ganito din naman yung lasa niya kapag niluto mo siya sa kalan. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Ang pagkakaiba lang is sobrang lambot talaga nung pagkakaluto nung manok kapag doon sa electric cooker ko nilagay. So, isang subo ulit. Sarap. Ayan, so guys, try nyo to. Masarap talaga. And, ayun nga, dito ko natatapusin yung video na to. Huwag nyo kalilimutang mag-like, comment, share, ring the bell, at higit sa lahat nakasubscribe. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me, I just feel way